toxicity of our city, of our city. Yo, what do you own the world? How do you own disorder? Disorder. No, somewhere between the sacred silence and sleep. Somewhere between the sacred silence and sleep. Disorder, disorder, disorder. More wood for their fires, my neighbors.
Matiin kan?
Flashlight
Udah.
reveries caught in the
Lepas, kupingnya lepas.
headlights of a truck. Eating
Ya.
seeds as a pastime
No.
activity. The toxicity of our city, of our city.
Ah.
Yo, what do you own the world?